great gift ideas for Christmas. 1. Stuff those stockings. Hanging the stockings by the chimney with care is a nice Christmas tradition, but stuffing them is a lot more fun. Finding stocking stuffers for everybody can be a challenge, especially if you've got a really big family. We've organized our favorite stocking stuffers by recipient so you can quickly browse a big selection and find the perfect gifts. Find something for all the kids, teens, men and women on your list. 2. Holiday home decor. Christmas is all about the twinkling lights, the glistening gold, and the shimmering silver. So much to look at, and all so festive. A Santa on the mantle is whimsical, an angel tree topper very traditional. Velvet stockings and jewel-toned ornaments can be so elegant. Decking the halls is one of the best parts of the season, and shopping here for Christmas decorations that fit your style is the best part of that. 3. Holiday home decor. The Secret Santa exchange. The Secret Santa is a great way to exchange gifts at the office, when it's often impractical to give everyone a present. It's also a friendly way to make sure everyone's included. Exchange names and start shopping. But for what? We've got an office guide right here to help you find gifts appropriate to the workplace. And then there's always the gift basket, with goodies that are sure to please everyone in the office. 4. Holiday gift baskets. The gift basket is a great way to give a present that's tailored to the recipient's interests, and it's also a great way to give a gift to a group. We combine gift basket ideas from all the top stores online, so you can easily find everything from wine gift baskets to spa gift baskets in one place. You can also find fruit gift baskets, popular gift baskets, and holiday gift baskets for under $50. 5. Christmas gifts for mom. You love your mom like no one else, and you want to give her something special for Christmas. But what would make her holiday bright? Would she love jewelry that suits her taste? Would a beauty or spa gift make her smile? Or would she adore stylish home decor? We've put together some top picks right here, and we're sure you'll find the perfect gift to light up your Christmas. 6. Christmas gifts for dad. Your dad was the one who put up the tree every year. He hung the windows with lights. He even dressed up as Santa, once. You're pretty sure it was him. Okay, maybe he couldn't do all those things, but he's your dad and you love him. Finding him the perfect Christmas gift will be easy this year, with all our top picks in one place. Personalizing it can make it even better.